Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm going to be doing this eye look for hooded eyes using my ColourPop eyeshadows. So if you want to see how I got the look, just keep watching. Hi guys, today I just want to do a quick eye tutorial using my ColourPop singles eyeshadows, and I'm going to do this for hooded eyes, so those of you that have hooded eyes can hopefully learn something new. I actually have two different packages of them. I have some mattes and I have some shimmers. What I did was ColourPop sells these empty containers, but they have like a foam divider inside, and that limited the number of shadows that you can put in each one. So I took that part out, and that just gave me a nice magnetic palette that I can hold a lot more colors in each one. So those are the mattes I have, except for I have one shimmer right there, and these are the shimmer shades that I have. Oops. So let's get started. Oh, my puppies came in. Hi guys. So I'm going to take this shade right here. Actually, no, let's use that one right there, which is called Out of Luck. So I'm going to take Out of Luck, and I'm just going to take a Morphe Y15 brush, and I'm going to just take that all over the lid just to give myself a nice base. Alright, now I'm going to take this next shade right here, which is called Wakeup Call, and I'm going to take that up above my crease. So I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Just got these Morphe brushes, so I'm trying them out for the first time today. By the way, this is a Morphe Y17. Alright, those blended out. Very nice. Next I'm going to go in with a brush that has a little bit more of a point to it, and I'm going to take this peachy shade here called Wait For It. So that is this one right here. And I'm going to go more in the crease with that. And I'm going to go up to form a higher crease because of the fact I have hooded eyes. So I'm going to kind of start right here and then bring it out, forming a V at the end. Let's go back to that first brush I used for my transition shade and just kind of blend those together. I'm not picking up any more product, just using that brush to kind of blend them better together. Alright, same brush we just used, that more pointed one, and I'm going to go into this deeper orange shade here, the Flower Boy. So that's that one right there. And I'm going to go tighter into the crease and just concentrate it right into my natural crease. Notice how I have my head kind of tilted back a little bit, and I'm pushing that in there because that helps me see where my natural lid is. Alright, I am going to go in with the shimmer shades now and take that onto the lid. So for that, I'm going to go in with my Luxie 211 brush. This is a flat brush with a point at the end. And I'm going to take a goldy shade here. It's called Liar Liar. I just stuck my nail in it. So that's Liar Liar right there. And I'm going to take that right onto my lid on the inner corner. I should say about the inner 2/3 of my eyelid. It's not a full-blown shimmer, lots of glitter or anything like that. I want to bring that really into my inner corner as well of my eye, just to kind of brighten everything up. And then I'm going to use that same brush. I'm going to wipe it off really quick. And I'm going to go into this kind of a pinky shade right here, pinky peachy, which is called Savage. And that one I'm going to take on the outer corner of my eye. Again, just following my natural crease. Still a nice light color, so it's keeping everything very light on my lid. Let's go to the bottom lashes. I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to go back into this shade here and take that along my lower lash line. Oops. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to leave everything pretty natural looking today. So just nice and light and natural. And let me go in and do some mascara and I'll be back.
So, you know how I mentioned my puppies were in the room with me? I dropped my beauty blender, my $20 beauty blender on the floor. And this one got into it. Maddie, did you do that? Did you do that? Did you get into it? Oh, are you in trouble? Yeah, she's wearing a diaper. She's in heat right now. Are you in trouble? Oh, you're in trouble.
Yes, you ate my beauty blender. Yes, that was a brand new beauty blender too. Don't try and make it up to me. I know. I should have been paying attention. I know. You're bad. Okay. Yes, don't look up my makeup. You guys have probably met Maddie before. She's one of our 3 dogs now. Unfortunately, we had to let Buddy put him down last week, so that was sad. So we're down to just 3 little dogs. But yeah, she's in trouble right now. Lots and lots of trouble. Oh, she's so cute. Are you so cute? Alright, sorry about the distraction there, guys. Alright, this is the finished eye look. I have the mascara on, and I tell you, I love these eyeshadows. They blend out so beautifully, and I love that I can make my own palette. They're so inexpensive. I'm going to have links down below in the description box to them and where you can buy them from. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, give it a thumbs up as well, and leave me any comments or questions down below because I love hearing from you guys. So until next time, I love you, and bye-bye.